Alright, so back with another video for y'all guys, wrapping up this PS4's PSU's motherboard right here. So off camera, while the other videos was uploading, I did some more messing around, and what I did was I tested what was the part for y'all guys real quick. Somebody touch my stuff? Oh no, just gonna put it right now. I tested this. What I thought was a fuse is really a resistor. Tested that, and it was a open line. So I put a wire right there. Soldered it. Now it's, it's like low resistance wire. It's copper wire, so it's not that much resistance. So what I'm gonna do now is test to see if the 5-volt standby is on, and if that is, I'm gonna put it into the PS4 and test it. Oh yeah, mind you, when I did test the 5-volt standby off camera, it did read it read see what y'all can see. I want you to see everything. Alright, it did read 4.8 volts. So the second pin is ground. Oh, yep. That's what I was hoping for. 4.81. It's not perfect, but looks good though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If I fix this joint just from that, I feel good. Yo, so what I did, I touched this right here when I plugged it in. Don't do that, you're gonna shock the fuck out yourself. I'm gonna tell you that right now. That's stupid, right? This has no like rubber parts, so even if I do this starts capacitors, I'm still gonna get shocked. It didn't shock me, but I thought about it as I was doing it. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna just test it and leave it plugged in how it is, but I don't feel like trying to disconnect that cord. I'm just gonna plug it back in and disconnect it anyway. I'm gonna do the work twice. So yeah, just think about when you test it. When you testing it, you don't gotta make it look perfect. Just gotta, don't put no screws in. Don't make it difficult to get so finished. Do what you gotta do to test it. In a safe manner though. Like, only do it before it's exposed while you test it. because you shock yourself. You want to be shocked. I don't think this board got enough power to kill you. But preferably though, we don't find out. Truth. Not that far yet, but it's probably a moment of truth. See this bitch turn on. Let's see. Fuck, man. I bet. Press this button. Woo! Oh my God, man. Oh, I'm the shit, man. I'm that, man. I'm the best, man. It's like, I don't know what I did to try to fix this job, but I hear a capacitor whining, so it's still something else going on. So yeah, it turned blue. Shit. The light turned blue for a second and turned up. No, I'm sure it's gonna do it again. Yeah, that's what it's doing. So that's one part to this puzzle. Just a quick little update though. And that's all for this video. I might be done for the day. I still need to find schematics. I was really just like playing around with it. I was on the phone with my man's. He actually was like looking at a PS4 board for parts for his speaker. Ooh. I'm like, oh, let me get that. He's like, nah, I need it, whatever. So I started fixing him. I was on the phone with him, and I looked at the reading for the resistor. I thought it was a capacitor. And it actually was an open line when it should be like in there, you know, low resistance, like 100 ohms or less. So replaced it with a wire. That's when I told you I shocked myself and I tested it, and it read 4.8 volts. So yeah. Alright, so I'm done bothering y'all right now. My sweating. But I'm gonna try to find schematics. I really doubt we won't be able to. So I might just end up replacing this like power supply and giving it back to the little young boy. Cause I really thought it was a motherboard. Oh yeah, I can show y'all now. This motherboard is like this all like liquid damage. I don't know what he was doing to this drum, but like he like 7, 8, 8, 9. Like he ain't really like, you know what I mean? He still kind of, you feel me? Probably drinking some juice. Got up real quick and kicked it over. You know what I mean? He don't blow stuff. But yeah, it's I'm just going to charge him for the power supply. I don't know the price for that. I don't really. That's my neighbor. So. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm just leave this like this right here while I look at schematics. If I don't find schematics within like the next 2 days, I might just like I don't wanna give up though. I got like little progress. I got so much stuff here though. I gotta look at, just try to fix. So if I don't find schematics within like 2 days, I'm just gonna end up giving it back to him, letting him know what is the power supply. Yeah, and also I really don't want to give it back with like a, you know, power supply, and I don't know how I fix it, because if it ends up shorting something out and it burns the house down, I'm like, damn, you know what I mean? Dang, I know that's my fault, but what's with a power supply for eBay so that issue doesn't happen? Because if I bypass a fuse with a piece of cord, electrical fire happens, the house burns down. So yeah, until I know like how I fixed it, how I get to that point, I'm not gonna be giving it back to nobody like this. So I know it's safe and reliable. So yeah, I might just end up ordering a new one, seeing all that. But I'm gonna try to find some schematics though. I'm done talking. I'm out. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I feel pretty good about this one right here. I know nobody gonna watch this. I'll keep on talking. This one, put XP on that one. You know, I found out you can install a OS using a RAM disk, which basically you load information onto the RAM, like a section of the RAM, and those like use a part of the RAM as basically hard drive storage. That's tough. That's my little toolkit, toolbox. That's my messy though. These are like the parts. I was gonna order it. I ordered to like practice like soldering and stuff. This parts though at this point, experiments and stuff. That's where I got this bar from. Just that little kit. Tweezers. These ones are my good ones. These ones, some female left them in my car. I thought it was gonna be good, but they like so blunt at the end. It's not really worth my time. These ones are good ones too, but you see, they kind of go, they starting to go like apart at the end. I use for like big stuff, like getting tape off, but nothing like too big, too small. I mean, that's the stuff for the PS4 in the corner. Yeah, this is my bed though. This is where I should be sleeping. Need space. But yeah, I'm about to start doing repairs for other people. Like, post on Facebook, Instagram, Fiverr, Craigslist, and just do repairs like that. charge double. Start my service charge with screen $50 service charge, $55 service charge maybe actually. Cause if I come to you and you within like a 5 mile, 10 mile, 5 to 7 mile radius, you know, I like a $5 fee. Outside of that, like, because of my car, I could do like a $10 fee. 30 miles, I would do $20, like, because 15 miles and up on me, I'm gonna do like $30 because my timing, driving, and gas. You know, I need that money for that. So yeah, I'm about to start doing those ads with some iPhone screens on.